In this video, I will introduce 5 cheap DSLR cameras, under $500. If you like, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T6, EOS 1300D. Number 4. Nikon D3300. Number 3. Sony SLT-A58K. Number 2. Nikon D3400. Number 1. Canon EOS 700D.
At the top of Canon's entry-level EOS lineup is the EOS 700D. Ideal for those who are keen to develop their skills, the 700D allows you to take the next steps on your photography journey. The 700D is Canon's most advanced entry-level DSLR camera. Featuring a hybrid CMOS 18-megapixel sensor, a vari-angle touchscreen, and a range of creative filters and manual modes, it's easy to use today and packed full of features you can explore tomorrow. Create detailed, low-noise 18-megapixel images that can be printed at high resolution and cropped without losing quality. Capture full HD movies with creative control using the hybrid CMOS AF sensor that focuses continuously on objects or people as you shoot. As your skills improve, you can take full manual control of aperture and shutter speed and take full advantage of the depth of field offered by the large sensor to creatively control the look and focus of your movie. The video snapshot feature offers a simple and easy way to capture and combine movie clips from your adventures. You can move or remove clips from your movie sequence by simply using the touchscreen to edit the sequence. Explore new shooting angles and easily control the camera with a 7.7cm vari-angle clear view LCD2 touchscreen. When taking a picture using the live view, simply touch the screen to focus or take the picture. For a different look or style, you can experiment with the creative filters like monochrome or miniature and preview the effect before you take the shot. To get started, the 700D features Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, which analyzes the scene and selects the best settings in a range of conditions to create the optimal image, allowing you to concentrate on taking the shot. Capture fast action with the 9 cross-type AF points, which track your subject as it moves, and the 5 frames per second held to capture the moment. The on-screen feature guide provides useful information about the features and shooting modes of the camera to help you achieve the look you're after. tackle tricky lighting conditions with HDR backlight control and handheld night scene modes. HDR backlight control captures 3 shots and then combines them to create an image that has minimal loss of highlight detail and shadow detail, even in backlit conditions. Handheld night scene mode shoots 4 continuous shots and combines them to prevent camera shake, allowing you to shoot high-quality night scenes without a tripod. Shoot low-noise images in darker conditions using the ISO 100 to 12,800 sensitivity range, which can be extended to ISO 25,600 for those times when you want to capture the atmosphere indoors or outdoors at night. The EOS 700D is part of the EOS system, one of the most comprehensive systems of digital SLRs, interchangeable lenses and accessories, and is trusted and used by professionals from around the world. EOS 700D. Step into DSLR photography and let your creativity grow.
In this video, I have introduced 5 cheap DSLR cameras. You can check all the 5 cheap DSLR cameras links below.